More than 30 mosquito species live in the UK, and some can become a nuisance in our gardens. The simplest way to reduce them is to remove standing water wherever it collects. Blocked gutters and drains can create perfect mosquito habitats, so keep them clear and let water flow freely. Rainwater often gathers in buckets, bins, tarpaulins, wheelbarrows, and tyres. Make sure these items are stored so water can drain away. Mosquitoes frequently breed in water butts, so a well-fitted lid is essential. Healthy, permanent ponds support natural predators that help keep mosquito numbers down. And remember to drain and refill bird baths and paddling pools every few days so mosquito larvae don't have time to develop. Small changes make a big difference.